If you had to describe the future train journey in just one word, what would it be and why?
Every passenger, every commuter has its own need. So if you're able to fulfill the need, satisfy each and every customer in their own way, in that diverse way, I think that is what they need.
The future of railways or metro will be autonomous to automation, and where there are a lot of predictive maintenance, predictive understanding, and predictive solutions. So it is purely AI based in the future.
Seamless and hassle-free.
Personalization, a highly personalized experience for each and every passenger who is traveling in the future train.
It is AI comfort, right? Because AI is everywhere and it makes our life much easier.